Okay.
So the question number 10 says, solve the following equations. Pre-calculus. Now we have this question here, question number 10. Uh, it's about solve the following equations. Allahu Akbar. And the first part says 3x minus 2 equals to 12, right? So how will you find out? Solve means to find value of, yeah, Mustafa, to find value of,
Why?
okay, yeah, it could be y as well, or we can say unknown, right?
Okay.
Find value of unknown. Okay. Now, uh, first of all, you can see here that this guy minus 2 can be shifted to the right side.
To 12. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll become positive.
Yeah, it will become positive. So it's going to be 14. Now, what should be taken so that we can get this value x?
We move 3 to 14 and divide it.
We can't move the 3 to the division because the power is there on x, right?
Okay.
Now, I'm giving you time to think about how you can, find out the value of x. Because what if I give you this thing 3x? If what if I have this case 3x equal to 9? So you remember that we did this type of question. We make the denominator, sorry, the numbers same, basis same. Okay, we
Okay.
we make that basis same so that we can equate the powers, right? We can equate the powers, so we get the value of x3. If I have the case 27, so I can replace the 27 like this, 3 to the power 3. Okay, oh, sorry, it should be 3 square, it should be 3 square. Okay, now 3
Okay.
times 3 to the power 3 means that you are multiplying 3 times, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3 is going to be 27. So how can I find the value of x when I have this case where this 14 cannot be written like this? Okay, 3 to the power any, if you give any power, you won't be getting 14, right? Directly. So
Yes, sir.
what strategy, what method do we have to follow so that we can find out the value of x, right?
Yeah.
Now think about it. So right. So are we um are we getting any value of x here by this method? What we have done here, the examples that I have given you here, are we getting the any number for value of x in this way? We are not getting, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we can do is, can we apply that method that we learned? Mm, let me show you here. Shifting a number, if a number can be written, where did I do that question? AP logarithm. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So can we use this method? This one, converge.
Uh,
Yeah, you remember?
yeah, we
The
can.
base is there, the argument is there, the value is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So um we're gonna apply the same thing here. Okay. So what if I say the base is 3, right? Can I say the base is going to be 3? The base is going to be 3. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I'm
the
here.
value becomes a argument and this power becomes a value.
Okay.
Right? Now have you got the value of x? Now use the calculator and find out the value that what are we getting log base 3 value 14. Sorry, log
Okay.
base 3 argument 14. What value are we getting?
So 2.40.
2.40. Do we have any answer of this question?
I'm not sure. I'm not using my laptop today. I'm using mouse's iPad, so I don't have the worksheet with me.
All right, so 2 point. What answer are we getting?
2.40.
2.40. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so it's better to write three decimal. Okay. Could you please tell me next digit after zero? What what was the digit after zero? And
Sir, 2.
it was two. Okay, 2.402. Okay. Now let's do the question number two, the part two of question number 10. The
Okay.
question number 10 is okay, part two of question number 10 is going to be 3 to the power 1 minus x, right? Equals to 2. Clear? Now I want to find out the value of x. The very first step that I have to do is I have to see that if there is any number that can be shifted to the right side, okay? There is no number, so therefore we can apply logarithm on both sides, or we can shift the bases, right? In the form of log. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what I explained to you that the base remains base, right? So I'm going to keep the base there, right? And this
Yes,
value
sir.
becomes the argument, and this power becomes the value, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's going to be 1 minus x. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I shift this x to the left hand side so I get x positive? And I can shift this log base 3 2 to the right hand side, so we're gonna get 1 minus log 3. Okay, log base 3 2. Okay, now tell me the
Okay.
value. Plug this number 1 and then press minus and then press log base 3, then put the value 2 and tell me the answer. What are we getting?
Okay. Give me Okay. 1 minus log. Sir, 0.369.
0.369, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do the part 3 of the same question. It says 4 to the power x, 4 to the power x, and 5 to the power x plus 1, right? Now, how will you do this one? Yeah.
Uh,
See, we can't
Sir,
have
won't we apply the same formula?
no, we can't have the x on two sides. So we have to make it one. We have to keep the x on either of the sides, but we cannot bear the x on both of the sides. Okay.
So, can we move the x to the other one?
We cannot move the power directly, so we have to break the power like this. This is 4 to the power x, this is 5 to the power x, and dot 5 to the power 1 should be written like this. Okay, I have broken this 5 like this. Let me tell you this concept. If you have the y power x and multiply with y power x, okay, let me keep it very simple. If I have y to the power square and y to the power 3, what answer will you get? Y to the power
5.
5. Okay. Now, can I split this like this? Y to the power 1 and y to the power 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I split like this? Y to the power square, y to the power cube.
Yeah.
That's the same thing. Okay. And even can I split like this? Y to the power 6 and y to the power minus 1.
Yeah. No.
Okay. Why not? When this will give you 5 answer, this is also going to give you 5 power. Why is it not going to give you 5? What's wrong with it? Yeah.
Nothing.
Is it not feeling well? Y to the power 6 times y to the power minus 1. Does it need
No, it's
medication?
fine.
Okay. So that means yes,
No.
it will give. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So can I split this 5 to the power x plus 1 in this form now?
Yeah.
So that I can get 5 to the power x plus 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what I'm going to do is, um, hmm, now how should I make this? Mm, okay. What if I uh, what if I write in this form 4 to the power x and 5 to the power x equals to 5. 5 to the power 1 is going to be 5, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So how can I do this one? Is the power same on both of the numbers?
Yes, sir.
So can I all right. It is not possible. Log base cannot be 4.5. Log base cannot be 4.5. Could you please type on the calculator log base 4.55? Are we getting any answer or are we getting the error?
Let me see. We're getting negative 7.212.
Negative 2 point
Negative 7.212.
negative 7.212. Okay, so what I have done here, I have applied the same concept that the base remains base, right? The value becomes the argument, and the argument or the power becomes the value. Is this clear? Now let me
Yes, sir.
cross check. Are we getting the correct answer or not? Okay.
Okay.
Mustafa, could you please plug the value ln5? I'm not saying log. I'm talking about the natural log.
Okay.
Put ln in the calculator. ln5.
Okay.
L
LN5.
ln. Have you
Okay.
found the ln?
Yes, sir.
I'm just talking about. I'm talking about this ln5. Now whole divided by. Put a divide sign and then open the bracket. Write ln 4 upon 5 and then put bracket close. And
LN5 divided bracket LN. Wait, sir. LN. Sir, negative 7.212.
are we getting the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's fine. So this works, right? The the method that we have done here, this is working. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
we're gonna do question number 4. You can do question number 4 as your assignment. Uh, what if we do part question number 10 or part 6?
Okay.
10 over 1 plus exponential minus x equals to 2. Yes.
Yeah.
So 10 by 1 plus exponential minus x over, sorry, exponential minus x. How will you find the value of x? Now think about it, okay? Try to make x subject, and which number or which term should be shifted to the other side, and then we can work accordingly.
Okay. So do you want me to solve it?
Yeah, I want you to do this uh, work right now, okay?
Okay.
All right. So this term, can we shift this term to the right hand side? Or what if I divide this number 2 times 1? Yeah, 2 ones are 2 and 2 times what is 5. Mustafa, who is messaging, who is texting me from Moss number?
I'm not sure. Let me check.
Is your father texting me?
Through Mars?
If you can please check who is texting.
Is it on the group chat?
No, no, it's not a group one. It's on my personal window.
Oh, it's Mars. He's asking for an earlier class because he's going out tomorrow with his friends.
Okay, can we reschedule tomorrow's class to a little bit earlier because I'll be busy a bit late. Uh, okay, I'll talk him. Okay, after this class. So 2
Okay.
times 1 is 2, and then we get 2 times 5 is going to be 10, right? So now we got this 5 here, and at the same time, I can shift this bracket to the right hand side. Okay, so we got this 1 plus exponential minus x, right? Now shift
Yes,
this
sir.
1 to the left hand side, 1 minus 5 minus 1, and then exponential to the power x minus x. We got 4 here, we got this guy here. Now what do I have to do? Yes, what do I have to do to this to find out this value of x? What should I apply?
The same formula as we did in the previous question.
Okay, what if I say that applying a log on both log, okay, to right hand side, so the base is going to be remain base, okay, and this the value becomes a argument, and this number, this guy minus x becomes um becomes what the value, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what if I shift this minus sign to the left hand side? So I will get minus logarithm e for x, or I can write x equals to minus log e for. Are we getting any answer?
Let me check, sir. So how do I put e in log?
Um, there must be a button of alpha, okay,
Okay.
in your calculator. Press the alpha, and then at the bottom you find this guy here, E.
Okay, found it.
Are you able to get
So I got negative 1.386.
negative? Negative what? Negative what?
1.386.
1.386. Okay, all right. Could you find the value of ln minus ln 4? Minus ln
Hold on.
4.
Minus ln4. It's the same, sir.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Now I'm keeping the class till here, and tomorrow, inshallah, we will be starting off with the graph, inshallah. Okay,
Okay.
question number 11, and only two questions are left: the part 7 and part 8 and part 4. You are expected, and I hope that inshallah you will be submitting part 4, 7, and 8. Okay, by tomorrow, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And please make sure that you share the pictures of your work. They must be visible, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Allah Hafiz.